Imagine a world where life-saving drugs are discovered in days instead of years, and diseases are diagnosed with near-perfect accuracy. Welcome to the AI revolution in healthcare. For decades, developing new drugs has been an expensive and time-consuming process, often taking over a decade and billions of dollars. But AI is changing the game. AI-powered models analyze millions of chemical compounds in record time, predicting which ones will be the most effective against diseases. Companies like DeepMind, IBM Watson, and Benevolent AI are using machine learning to identify drug candidates faster than ever before. In 2020, AI helped discover a new antibiotic, Halicin, which can kill superbugs. Without AI, this discovery could have taken years. Not all treatments work the same for everyone. That's where AI steps in to personalize medicine. AI analyzes genetic data, AI analyzes lifestyle habits, AI analyzes medical history to create customized treatment plans for patients. Platforms like IBM Watson, Health and Tempus use AI to recommend cancer treatments based on a patient's unique DNA profile. Example: researchers have used AI to predict Alzheimer's risk years before symptoms appear. AI is transforming medical imaging, detecting diseases faster and more accurately than ever before. AI-powered tools like Google's DeepMind and Cure.ai can analyze X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans in seconds, spotting diseases like cancer, tuberculosis, and strokes with higher accuracy than human doctors. In 2022, an AI model outperformed radiologists in detecting breast cancer by 11%, reducing false positives and improving early detection. Clinical trials are a major bottleneck in drug development, but what if AI could run virtual drug trials? AI-powered simulations can predict how a drug will interact with the human body without testing it on real patients. This reduces costs and speeds up approvals. The future of AI in healthcare is just beginning. Predictions for the next decade: AI-powered robotic surgeons performing precision surgeries, smart AI chatbots diagnosing diseases via voice analysis, AI models predicting and preventing pandemics before they start. AI is not here to replace doctors, it's here to empower them. The fusion of human expertise and AI intelligence will create a future where diseases are detected earlier, treatments are faster, and lives are saved. What do you think about AI's role in healthcare? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI updates.